What up, gang gang? I'm sitting here about to get my truck washed in Salina, Kansas, and I bet you $1 that tomorrow it rains, because whenever I wash my truck it rains. Also, I lost my keys here like 3 or 4 days ago on my way to Colorado. Came back and I asked if they had anyone turn in keys, and they did, and found my keys. Got my keys back, so that's good news. But time to roll into this truck wash. Yo, what up? Good morning, YouTube. It is actually almost noon here in Salina, Kansas, where I am at. Got here last night, got the truck washed, fueled up, got the truck washed. But I figured I would actually show you the truck next to this piece of trash truck. Make mine look a little better. No, I just want to come at you, and I feel like I hadn't shown you guys the outside of the truck. So I got 13 lights on the roof. I got a reverse bow tie. I've got these, I call them fake breather lights because I don't have a breather. You know, my vent is that. Got the mirror lights. I'm running on 24/5 rims. I'm running back here on low pro 24/5s. Michelin's all the way around. I actually just got new steer tires. I do have a chain holder. I got some 34-inch drop, what's it called? It's right there, quarter fenders. I used to have Hodge-built, and then they got dinged up from a whole bunch of shit hitting them off the road. So I got these panels, replacement panels, for like 160 bucks off eBay. Excuse me. And then I just put these Peterbilt flaps on that I've had. Pogo stick in the middle with the stretchy deals. Haven't had that for too long, but it's been very nice lately. But yeah, 24, so it's tall rubber up front, 11R 24/5, some smoked out headlights. The truck has 950,000 miles on it, and I'm pretty sure it's the original paint. 20-inch bumper up front. I have lowered it a little. I took the 2-inch blocks or something like that. I think it was 2 1/4-inch blocks out and put inch blocks in. Eventually gonna bag it. It is a Peterbilt 386. My Angel up front leading the way. Like I mentioned, the 13 lights up top. I got 2 antennas on the CB, so it gets out pretty good. I hear people pretty clearly for quite a ways. My co-pilot, Mr. Trump, rolling there, keeping an eye on everything. If you could see him in the sleeper window there. It's a big old mask. It's really cool. But yeah, thought I would come to you and tell you a little bit about my truck. It's a 2012 Peterbilt 386. I absolutely love the look from this angle with the slope of the nose and everything. I just need to slam it. I need to get rid of that little tire gap and put that freaking front bumper on the ground. I also want to get rid of the fairings and run some stacks up, move the def tank to the back, get different steps and front fenders. So yeah, you get a front fender from a day cab, a step from a 389 or 379, stacks all the way up with full 90-degree elbows, move the tank back, and then I want that little, maybe like an 8-inch cab panel to come off of here. But yeah, so these replacement skins that I got, so yeah, it is a grass burner right now. There it is. 2 120-gallon tanks. Sorry if the wind's picking up and it's getting all whoosh, whoosh on me. But yeah, I got those. Those are replacement from United Pacific. And the rear ends that I have are 342s. From the factory is a 450 1650 Cummins, so 450 horse, 1650 torque, but it is not factory. We'll just leave it at that. And it's got a 10-speed behind it. You can make money with a 10, 13, 9-speed even. You can make money with a 8LL, but you'd be spending a lot of money on fuel. But yeah, so that's my truck. Here's the inside. train horn, Colorado flag, got a rep, bumping cutty, low back seats, sitting low on the floor, on that hardwood. I need to redo that. Got the coffee pot going right there. Uploading vlog number 17 right now. Looks like it just processed, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that. That's a talking head video. And then I got a whole bunch of stuff I need to install, from sleeper lights on the back to underglow lights to freaking a window regulator to a couple extra gauges for another boost gauge and a temp gauge, and some speakers and just a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, that is my truck. It's 1111 Colorado, Make-A-Wish. And yeah, that's about it. I don't get good fuel mileage because it's a mid-roof pulling a dry van. When I switch to flatbed, hopefully I get a little better. Oh, the CB I run is a Cobra. I've got these watermelon lights everywhere, and they light up pretty good. I need to get them wired to these spare switches though. But anyway, just woke up, got ready, about to head out of here and get on my way towards Georgia. But that's my truck. Like I said, it's a 2012 Peterbilt 386, 949,414 on the odometer, and she gets it done. All right, take it easy, ladies and gentlemen. Stay loaded. All right, well, I just gave you guys a truck tour of my truck, but damn, I love that fucking, excuse my language, 379. Extra grill bars, 48-inch sleeper, flat top, some tall stacks. That thing's sick. Love trucks looking like that. Oh yeah, check out that flat top. Might get a better view of it. Ka-chow. And the KC Royals Stadium. That's a good looking truck right there. Alright, y'all, I just parked for the night here in somewhere Kentucky. Paducah? I don't know. No, I'm not in Paducah. But there's this nice cattle pot that was sitting at the fuel island. Looks like a 379. The double round headlights. It was Goose Creek Farms pulling a cattle pot. Nice, clean. Not the biggest fan of the trailer lights, but well, a lot better looking than my dry van, I tell you that. Alright, take it easy, cowboy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I washed my truck yesterday, and I said I bet you $1 that it rains. I washed it like yesterday at midnight. I don't know if you could see the beads on my freaking hood. It is currently raining. Can you see the drips coming down the windshield? I really don't know. I don't know. It is raining though. 24 hours later, I owe my 5 subscribers $1 each. I was a little off on timing. But like clockwork, I wash my truck and it rains.